Welcome to ClassA Industrial, precision manufacturing solutions since 1991, part of Banshing Group serving healthcare, automotive, and electronics industries. Singapore, our corporate headquarters, established in 1975. Shanghai, China, precision tooling and advanced LSR manufacturing. Penang, Malaysia, our high-volume manufacturing hub, right here. Over 1,300 people. One connected manufacturing ecosystem.
Welcome to ClassA Tooling.
We use unigraphic software to create detailed 3D models of the mold design. This allows for visualizing complex features and making design adjustments. Design for Manufacturing, DFM, in the context of plastic injection molding focuses on optimizing mold design to improve manufacturability, reduce costs, and ensure quality. Mold flow analysis is a critical simulation technique used in plastic injection molding to predict how molten plastic will flow into a mold cavity. This analysis helps engineers optimize mold design, improve product quality, and reduce manufacturing costs by identifying potential issues before physical production begins. Unigraphic's NX-CAM software is used to program machine tools, simulate machining, and perform post-processing. The high-accuracy CNC milling machine with a spindle rotation of 65,000 RPM is capable for machine-hardened inserts and electrode, able to achieve a tolerance between plus or minus 0.005 millimeters. The wire EDM machine capable for machine-hardened or soft material with electrically conductive, and able to achieve a tolerance within 0.005 millimeters. Electrical discharge machining, EDM, uses controlled electrical discharges, sparks, to remove material from a workpiece. It is especially effective for machining hard materials. EDM can achieve very tight tolerances within plus or minus 0.005 millimeters, making it suitable for parts requiring exact specifications. Polishing is a crucial step in insert making process, aimed at enhancing the surface finish of mold inserts. Quality control is a critical aspect of the mold making process, focusing on ensuring that mold inserts meet specific quality standards. Effective quality control helps prevent defects in molded parts and ensures the overall efficiency of the production process. Inserts fitting is to ensure that the inserts align perfectly within the mold. A well-fitted insert minimizes the risk of defects such as misalignment, flash, excess material, or incomplete filling, which can compromise the quality of the molded part. Preventive maintenance for molds is essential to ensure their longevity, reliability, and consistent performance in the injection molding process. After each production run, remove plastic residue, dust, and any foreign materials from the mold. Use soft brushes and compressed air to clear out any hard-to-reach areas.
Welcome to P1 Injection Molding Line. The requirement is to wear gloves before production. A material dryer removes moisture from raw materials to improve quality and efficiency. The inspector will regularly check and log records. Moisture test measures the moisture content in materials to ensure they meet required specifications. It's used in industries like plastics and construction to prevent defects, ensure quality, and maintain efficiency. Mold setup to machine refers to the process of installing and securing a mold onto a machine to produce parts. This involves aligning the mold, properly clamping it, and configuring machine settings for the specific molding process. The technician sets machine parameters, adjusting temperature, pressure, cycle time, for optimal performance. A vertical machine refers to a type of machinery where the primary axis of operation is oriented vertically. These machines are commonly used in various manufacturing processes, including injection molding. In vertical machines, the tool or mold is positioned above the workpiece, and the material or part is typically loaded from the top. Next, an LSR machine refers to a liquid silicone rubber injection molding machine. It is specifically designed for processing liquid silicone rubber, LSR, a versatile material widely used in industries such as medical devices and consumer goods. LSR injected using precise mixing temperature control to produce high quality. A UV machine used after LSR molding cures the parts with ultraviolet light, improving their mechanical properties, surface finish, and resistance to wear and environmental factors. This ensures the components meet performance standards. Plastic injection molding is a manufacturing process where molten material, usually plastic, is injected into a mold cavity under high pressure to produce parts. It's commonly used for high-volume production of complex, precision parts. After injection process, first part will send to QA to check the kinetic and dimension. Inspection check for cosmetics refers to the Gordon sample with machine light booth to ensure meet quality standards. Pass the part to machine CMM after inspection check. A CMM machine measures the geometrical characteristics of an object using a probe to collect precise dimensional data, ensuring parts meet design specifications in manufacturing and quality control. The production department will determine the required number of staff and equipment based on the details of the PO, purchase order, ensuring that resources are allocated effectively to meet production requirements. Finally, packer will be responsible for packing finished goods or products into appropriate containers, boxes, or packaging materials for shipment, storage, or distribution.
Welcome to 100K Clean Room Molding Area. This area allocate for workers' changing room, production office, and QA office. Here, workers need to sanitize and wear proper PPE before enter production line. Then, workers will walk through separate pathway to the production area of 100K Clean Room. It equipped with personnel air shower to ensure the body was properly clean from contaminant. Production area was completely separate from normal environment. Humidity, temperature, air flow, and dust particle was control and monitor. Tools and materials movement must pass through interlock door system to ensure clean environment.
Welcome to P2 assembly line. Design control room for the requirement. Assembly entering equipment air shower for product and human. Workers must wear clean room garments, hoods, protects against dust, bacteria, and particles. Soldering is the process of joining metal components by melting a filler metal, solder. Once cooled, the solder solidifies to form a strong electrical or mechanical connection. Used in electronics, plumbing, and metalworking. Ultrasonic welding uses high-frequency sound vibrations to generate heat for joining materials. It is commonly used for bonding plastics and metals, especially in precision and high-speed applications. A leak test is a process used to check for the presence of leaks in a system, container, or component. It helps ensure that there are no unwanted emissions of gas, liquid, or other substances, which could lead to safety hazards, product failure, or environmental issues. The screw manufacturing process involves several stages to produce screws of various sizes, shapes, and materials. The process can vary depending on the screw type and its intended use, but generally, the steps include material selection, forming, threading, and finishing. A functioning test ensures that a system, component, or product operates as intended, meeting its specifications. It checks performance, reliability, and behavior under normal or specified conditions. Functioning tests are crucial for product quality, performance, and user satisfaction, and are used in industries like electronics and manufacturing. The printing process refers to the method by which text, images, or designs are transferred onto a surface, such as paper, fabric, plastic, or other materials. The process typically involves several stages, and the method used can vary based on factors like the material being printed on, the volume of printing, and the desired quality. An inspection check is a process of examining, testing, or reviewing products, materials, or processes to ensure they meet specific standards, regulations, or requirements. It is commonly used in manufacturing, quality control, and various industries to maintain product quality and ensure compliance. An inspection check is a systematic process used to evaluate the quality, condition, or performance of an item, system, or process, identifying issues, ensuring standards compliance, and highlighting areas for maintenance or improvement.
Welcome to painting line. It was designed as control area which separate between 100K and 10K cleanroom area. Painting entrance equipped with air shower for the product movement and personnel. It is compulsory for workers to wear proper PPE such as hairnet, full coverall, and ESD shoes. Product go into painting line. Temperature,
humidity, and dust particle was control and consistently monitor. Incoming quality inspection been carried out by inspection team and confirmed by QA. Good part will be undergo preparation for cleaning process. If products been through CNC and buffing process, this product will be cleaned using ultrasonic cleaning machine. Ultrasonic cleaning machine consists of 6 tanks with capacity of 150 liters for each. Included 3 dryer tanks. Once dry up, product will automatically come out from the machine. Clean product will be sent to the jig installation process. Each of the product will be installed, painting jig accordingly. Once complete, products was arranged in clean tray. Now, these products is ready to be sent to loading area for painting process. Here, spindle cover been removed from top of the spindle, and product with installed jig is loaded into each of spindle bar. Then, conveyor moved to next process for IPA cleaning. It is essential to remove oil, grease, and contaminant on the product surface. Products will go through first auto dedust process to remove dust and fiber on the surface. Preheating process is available if required. It is powered by infrared lamp. Second auto dedust process just before painting to ensure products are properly clean. Products will be sprayed under control environment. Temperature, humidity, and air flow are control and monitor. Every spray booth consists of 2 separate spray gun for water-based and solvent-based paint. Spray parameters, air flow, water curtain, spindle rotation, and conveyor speed was set and controlled by PLC system. 8 sets of spray gun are adjustable for each booth. 2 separate pump system for water-based and solvent-based paint are available for each spray booth. Painted products will pass through flash-off oven for slowly heat up and go through heating oven for curing. Our painting had 3 line connecting together by conveyor system. It was designed for primer layer, base coat layer, and top coat layer. Each line have their own auto dedust system, spray booth, pump system, and oven. Line number 1 and number 2 have identical system, while line 3 had 2 heating oven for longer curing time. It's also equipped with UV oven curing system, which is specialized for UV paint curing. After curing oven, painted product was go through cooling and then come out to unloading area. Painting jig will be removed from the painted product, and painted product were put into the clean tray. Next, painted product is ready to be sent to inspection area. Painted product will be inspected by outgoing inspection team based on limit samples and confirmed by QA team. Line leaders, paint technician, and production supervisor will consistently check the quality of painting during the production to ensure the best quality of product. Finally, good painted product will be packed in a box and sent to stored. Thank you for your time.
Welcome to Class A Quality Department. We provide high accuracy measurement to our customer by using latest technology to meet customer quality requirement. In the Metrology lab, we several equipment from high-end until the small tool measurement to support daily operation or measurement. Coordinate measuring machine CMM. Measurement range. X-axis equals 700 millimeters. Y-axis equals 700 millimeters. Z-axis equals 600 millimeters. High accuracy contact measurement and fully automated measurement. SP25M scanning probe with 2 sensors in one. A scanning probe and a touch trigger probe. Rapid and repeatable automatic interchange between modular elements. Compatible with probe extensions bars up to 100 millimeters long. Flexible change rack where ports can be easily configured to carry any system element. Quick Vision QV. Measurement range. X-axis equals 400 millimeters. Y-axis equals 400 millimeters. Z-axis equals 250 millimeters. Axis of measurement. X-axis. Y-axis. Z-axis. High accuracy, non-contact measurement system. High performance auto focus. Fully automated measurement. Image dimension measurement system, IM. Measurement range. X-axis equals 100 millimeters. Y-axis equals 200 millimeters. Z-axis equals 75 millimeters. Axis of measurement. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. High-accuracy non-contact measurement system. High-performance autofocus. Fully automated measurement. Automatic recognition of position and orientation. And able to run multiple programs in one time. Vision Measurement System, VMS. Measurement range. X-axis equals 400 millimeters. Y-axis equals 200 millimeters. Z-axis equals 100 millimeters. Axis of measurement. X-axis. Y-axis. Non-contact measurement. Manual focus and XY axis of movement. Digital caliper. Digital micrometer. Digital high gauge. And light booth for visual inspection. To ensure the durability of the part we produce. In the liability lab, we have several latest technology, equipment support daily testing, and during NPI stage. Melt flow index, MFI testing. Moisture testing. Tensile testing. Surface roughness testing. Color measurement. Glossiness testing. Adhesion testing. Abrasion testing. Rod scratch testing. Transportation vibration testing. Drop testing. Maximum height is 2 meters. Temperature and humidity chamber. Temperature range, -45 to 180 degrees Celsius. Humidity, 10 to 98% RH. Maximum capacity, 1100 liter. Thermal shock chamber. Temperature range, -65 to 200 degrees Celsius, -85 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Maximum capacity, 200 liters. Xenon test chamber. Full spectrum sunlight simulation. The xenon arc lamps provide a close match to natural sunlight. Temperature and humidity control. Simultaneous control of black panel temperature, chamber air temperature, and relative humidity. Thank you for your time.